Welcome to SADX, simplifying radical expressions. In this video I am going to solve number 12, which is 2 root 5 divide minus 4 plus root 8. Let's start. So what is the conjugate of minus 4 plus root 8? So this one, look, minus 4 plus this root 8, we need to segregate. How? Like minus 4 plus root 8, it means root 4 times 2, it means 2 root 2. So minus 4 plus against root 8 we can write 2 root 2. So similar, this one we can write 2 root 5 divide minus 4 plus 2 root 2, right? And now what next? We will multiply 2 root 5 times minus 4 minus 2 root 2, and here is minus 4 plus 2 root 2 times minus 4 minus 2 root 2. Okay, next 2 root 5 times minus 4, and here minus 2 root 2 times 2 root 5, and here is minus 4 square minus 2 root 2 square. It's a plus b times a minus b. Now look, this one become minus 8 root 5, and then here minus 2 and 2, once we make multiplication it will be 4 root 2 times root 5, it will be root 10. Minus 4 square, it means 16, minus 2 root 2 square means here is 4 times 2, it means again 8 will become. Now look, minus 8 root 5 and then minus 4 root 10. Okay, then here is 16 minus 4 times 2 is a 8. Now this one we can write minus 8 root 5 minus 4 root 10 divide 16 minus 8 is a 8. So this one we can simplify like this, minus 8 root 5 by 8 minus 4 root 10 by 8. Okay, now this 8 and this 8 we can out. So here is minus root 5, then minus 8 divide 4 is a 2, so we can write minus root 10 by 2. This is our answer. Thank you.